morning, children. I hope you might be fine. And today we are going to start prepositions. Already we have done prepositions, that is in, on, under. And today we are going to start with 3 new prepositions, that is in front of, behind, and between. Do you know what is the meaning of prepositions? Yes, a preposition is that which tells us about the exact location of any person, animal or things. Let's know what is the meaning of these prepositions are. The first is in front of means सामने, behind means पीछे, between means के बीच में. Let's see examples. The first is in front of. In front of means सामने. Here we have a house and dog. यहाँ पे एक house है, dog है. जो dog है वो बिल्कुल house के सामने बैठा हुआ है. So we can say that the dog is in front of the house. The second is, here we have a box and catty. So I can say that the cat is in front of the box. क्या कह सकते हैं? We can say that the cat is in front of the box. जो कैटी है वो बिल्कुल कहाँ बैठी है? बॉक्स के सामने. The next is behind. What is the meaning of behind? Behind means पीछे. Here we have a cloud and sun. जो clouds के पीछे है sun. Where is the sun? The sun is behind the cloud. The next is, here we have a door and boy. जो boy है वो door के बिल्कुल पीछे है. So we can say that the boy is behind the door. The next is, here we have a box and ball. जो ball है वो box के बिल्कुल पीछे है. So we can say that the ball is behind the box. And the third preposition is between. What is the meaning of between? Between means बीच में. Here we have a 2 cars and 1 bike. 2 cars के बीच में एक bike है. So we can say that the bike is between 2 cars. Next, here we have a 2 chairs and a boy. यहाँ पे 2 chairs हैं, उनके बीच में क्या हुआ है? एक boy खड़ा हुआ है. So we can say that a boy is between 2 chairs. Okay? Start prepositions. In front of, behind and between. The first one is, the cat is dash of the house. Here we have a house and cat. एक cat है, एक house है. And the where is a cat? जो cat है वो कहाँ पर बैठी है? House के बिल्कुल सामने बैठी है. जब कोई चीज बिल्कुल सामने होती है तो अपने क्या यूज करते हैं? In front of, behind या between? Yes, we use in front of. So let's write in front of. Yes. And the next is, the ball is dash 2 tables. Here we have 2 tables and 1 bowl. जो bowl है वो tables के बीच में है. Okay? तो what will come here? In front of, behind or between? Yes, between. We will write between. And third is, the sun is dash the cloud. Here we have a cloud and sun. जो sun है वो cloud के कहाँ पर है? पीछे है, behind है. तो let's write behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. Okay? And the last is, the cat is dash 2 trees. Here we have 2 trees and 1 cat. यहाँ पे 2 trees हैं और एक cat है. जो कैटी है वो कहाँ पे बैठी है? इनके बिल्कुल बीच में बैठी है ना trees के. जो कैटी है 2 trees के बीच में बैठी है. Then what will come here? In front of, behind या between? Yes, between. And dear students, this is your homework. Do in your notebook. Thank you.